Adjustable 10 level of brightness, powerful LEDs ranging from 3000 to 6000 K. 3 light modes: Alabaster, Golden Natural, Iced Gold. Adjustable 62 tripod stand. Range in height is 17 to 62 inches. Powered by standard USB with wired remote for photoing control. Top reviews from the United States. Great starter ring light kit. I am a faithful UBeesize customer, being that I own 4 of their products. A little phone tripod with flexible legs, a 67 tripod that I keep in the car just in case, a giant sturdy 17 ring light tripod, and now this convenient ring light set. I would wholeheartedly recommend this as a gift purchase for that teen in your life that wants to give the YouTube influencer thing a whirl, but you're not 100% sure they'll stick it out. This kit is extremely affordable, and doesn't have all the bells and whistles that more expensive kits have. First things first. I included pictures of the front and back of the box, because it's absolutely adorable. Tie a ribbon around it or put it in a gift bag and bam, wrapping is done. High marks for presentation, you get excited before you even open it. Next, I wanted to point out how versatile a ring light could be. If you're waffling with the idea of getting one, even for yourself, think of the different ways you could really oomph up your pics. Selling on Poshmark or Etsy. Get an inexpensive light tent, or make your own. Set up the ring light, and you automatically have much more professional and appealing pictures. Are you a bookstagrammer or want to be one? Many bookstagram photos are done as flat lays, aka shot from directly above, and I was easily able to adjust the mount to be directly over my, admittedly quickly thrown together, photo for the gram. Think outside the box.